Hey guys, so you're probably wondering why I look so crazy. So I'm actually going to be showing you how I do my hair. It's not going to be anything fancy because I still am trying to figure out how to do my hair. But I'm just going to show you what I do with the product that I use and why I use it, why I like these products. So this is obviously pre-shower. This is probably like 5-day-old hair. So like you can see like my curls are kind of like in shock. I obviously just took it out of like a bun. They're still not like terrible, but no. So I will check back in with you after my shower. So now I'm actually out of the shower. As you can see, my hair is just basically flat and, you know. So it is still wet. Didn't dry it, didn't blot it, didn't anything. So the first thing that I'm going to use is my primer. Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. So basically, just kind of spray it everywhere. So the next thing that I do, split my hair in half. It's not really in half, but whatever. So split it in half. Just tuck it in. Get that out of my way. Next, I use my Pattern leave-in conditioner. Get that everywhere. We are gonna comb it, so brush it. We are gonna brush it. Next, she farted. I am just doing just like a blob. A big blob because we got a lot of hair. I actually cut my hair. I've been doing a lot of big chops lately. My hair used to be down to my butt. Then it took like 2 hours in the shower, so I was like, no, we're chopping it. And I chopped it all the way up to like my ears. So we're definitely growing. Okay. Okay, so now Maui Moisture. It is Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick curly hair. It does look like this. It's like a little lotion. Just saturate it again. Literally just blob all of this on. Now, as I told you in the beginning, I don't really have a routine for my hair. I just use products and my hair decides if it likes the product or not. I just got that in my ear. Just scrunch it. I do like to get these hairs in the front because they tend to get like really frizzy. So just keep on scrunching. Ecostyler. I actually just bought this, so it is fairly new. I wanted to try it out because I have used other gels that give me like a really bad cast, so I decided to use this one, and so far so good. I mean, it kind of gives it a cast, but you can just shake it out. It's like a jelly. I just grab a bit and scrunch. All of the products that I have just used in my hair are really good with defining your curls and moisturizing them, making sure they're not dry. I can also link them in the description if you want. I literally scrunch until my fingers fall off. Because not only is it helping to create that curl, but it is also distributing all the product that I just put in. So I use my handy dandy diffuser and we're going to dry it. So I'll dry it until it's about like 70% dry, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. And I usually don't tend to dry it 100% just so it doesn't dry out too much. So be back. So it's getting there. Not supposed to really touch it that much, but 50% dry, still kind of wet. See you. Okay, so I kind of just leave my hair like this until it kind of dries. So once I do my day-to-day things, it'll be dry, and maybe I'll show you an updated picture, but this is definitely how it's gonna be. So I do have like some curls that kind of do their own thing. So this is what it looks like. So that's how it is. This was just a kind of short video, get to the point, show you how I do my hair. It kind of looks dumb messy right now, but it's curls. What are we gonna do? Curls love to do its own thing. I didn't know what it was gonna look like before I started this, but now we know. Thank you guys for watching if you've made it this far in the video, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see more videos.